I am out here for the first time ever trying to find some stuff. These mosquitoes are really eating me alive, by the way. But this is the first time I can document that I found something outside with crystals on it. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it at all. Oh, you can see it at the bottom a little bit right there, shining. This is the first time I've ever found something with crystals. Yeah, baby. Guys, check this out. I came down here and I saw this big piece and I was like, oh shoot, there's crystals on it. Look at that. And then I was looking around and then I saw this little piece. Get out of here. Like, I mean, get out of here. There's another one. Ah, what have I got myself into? Well, that's something you don't see every day. I've never seen a red, well, that's a centipede, I think. That's interesting. Another thing that I've noticed is you have to come to the spots that have the sun shining on it, because you really can see it glisten. And that's how you actually can find stuff that normally you probably would miss. Saw this guy in here. It looked like water banding, or is that what they call it? I think that's what they call it. I saw this piece right here and I think I'm gonna take it and give it to my wife because it reminded me of a heart. Doesn't that look like a heart? I think that's pretty cool. In you go. So I'm actually finding more stuff on the surface rather than digging. All you have to do, like I said, is look in the light and you'll see them sparkle. Just like this one I just found. I literally was coming here because I wanted to look into here and I tripped and I stumbled. Where'd it go? Shoot. Well, there's a crystal right there. You can see it. Crystal right there. But I just saw one. Oh, here's another piece. Oh. Dude, look at that. Holy. I think that's quartz, right? Okay, back to what I was trying to do. I just stumbled and it's over here somewhere. Okay, there it is. It was up here. You can see it right there. I don't know if it's tiny or big or what, but oh, it seems like it's bigger. Hold on a second. Dude, this one's kind of big. Oh, dude, look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to really clean this one off. I think there's a bunch over here or something. Oh, I wonder what that looks like cleaned off. Oh, too, like some leaves that when I'm digging, you see the water on it. I keep thinking it's crystals. Getting fooled real good. Can you spot it? Can you spot it? There it is. Along with its buddy right here. Oh, and right here. Oh, this one's kind of cool. I like this one. There's another one right here. Oh, holy. Oh my gosh. I don't know if just anybody finds them like this. Maybe just nobody looked over here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, wow. I feel like this is just beginner's luck if you really think about it. Like, come on. All right, guys, so I'm ending my journey of trying to find all these crystals, and who knows what I was trying to find. I was just looking for stuff and anything that sparkled. But so I'm here at the Nethers Farm. You pay, I think it's like 50 cents per pound, and then you go weigh it and then you just pay for it. But there's so much flint here. There's so many good things here, and I think I'm gonna end on a good note because I've picked up so many crystals. I just used my hands because tools, I didn't want to use tools anymore. I just wanted to get right into the earth. And I found this last one, and I think it's a good way to end on. So I'm gonna show you what it is, and then I'm peacing out. Here it is. It's got, don't know what it is, but it shines, and it's got crystals all over it.